Hi guys, welcome to another recipe video. This time, I know that I did say that before, but this time I think it's going to be one of my fastest video ever. Maybe not the recipe by itself, but the video is going to be quite fast. We're going to make some beef patty, but with a slice of American cheese on it in the oven. So you're going to see, it seems so simple, but it is. And it's fast and it's more. This is a recipe that was giving, well, not giving, but it was the mother of my friend, who I think you know that I had a big accident when I was 16 years old in '77. And my friend, who was celebrating his 8th birthday, died beside me in the accident. But the thing about this is that his mother, she always made something for us. Well, often made something for us, and she came from Ontario, Toronto to be exact, and that was a recipe that her mother made and her great-grandmother made. So it was a simple recipe, but before that it wasn't with American cheese, that's for sure. But you're gonna see, it's like I said, it's very fast, and she did that with us for a long time, and it's something that I still do now, and I did since my children were born, and I think they still love it today. So guys, like I said, without overdue, let's go and see what the recipe is. And like always, please subscribe, leave a comment and share. It's always appreciated. So take care guys. Ciao.